sunflowers in the mail. This is what came. Okay, I did not know that they were going to be transparent stickers, even though I probably still could use them. I'm not even sure if I'm going to post this video up, if I want to go ahead and sell these stickers, or if I want to just go ahead and use these pieces right here.
I'm out for my grandmother's. I can't wait for when that comes in, her gonna be like, "What's this?" I say, "My auntie."
Auntie who?
Monique did it.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today, you guys, I'm back with another video. As y'all can see, my pieces are laid out in front of me, and I'm really excited about this case. A few years ago, I ain't about to sit here and lie, I did a post on Instagram asking what design did my customers and followers want to see, and they told me sunflower. So here, as y'all can see, I'm bringing it to you. But today I want to do something a little bit different. So what I was initially going to do, I was going to seal some sunflower images with resin, and then I was going to use that as like my main piece, and I was going to put butterflies around it. But unfortunately, you guys, when I got my sunflowers in the mail, this is what came. Okay, I did not know that they were going to be transparent stickers, even though I probably still could use them. I'm not even sure if I'm going to post this video up, if I want to go ahead and sell these stickers, or if I want to just go ahead and use these pieces right here. But anyway, either way, I would still probably have to use these stickers, or I probably still would, oops, stop that. I probably still would try to sell these and see what I can, like, you know, come up with in regards to them, because they look really nice. They don't look bad. So yeah, so I'm gonna put these to the side, and we just going to get to talking and then jump right into this video. So what I'll probably wind up doing is I have two 11, that just hurt my ears. I have two hard plastic 11 slim cases here. So what I'll probably do is I'll probably make one with this design, and then I'll make another one with the stickers. So I'll put that aside. I probably still will wind up using those. What I'm not sure if I want to do an NYC design or go ahead and do like a fully bling case. Because if I do an NYC design, that means that I won't be using, I don't really want to use this piece. I'll probably use this piece, but you guys, I really don't even know. So this is like really me freestyling on camera, because I really do not know what I'm gonna officially do at the moment. But let's just go ahead and try to, like, you know, place the pieces, and let's just see what I can come up with these pieces in front of me. We're gonna go ahead and let's just try to see how it looks. We're just gonna go with the flow. I wanted basically like a more elegant type of design. So basically like plant, and then like the bees like hovering towards it. And it's sad because I wish this was like a sunflower, because it would have been like 10 times better. So like hovering, I have about 5 bees. So maybe if I can just put this right here maybe, and then have the bees going this way. And then this is like one of my favorite, if you know, you know. This is like one of my favorite designs. Maybe I can just go like that. Like that. Like that's like what I was thinking about doing, but I actually wanted a sunflower in the middle. So like maybe like if I put this piece right here, and then have it like the bees going up towards it like that, and then I can just like do like a little like black, maybe a black and you guys, let's see, black. What about some like glass stones, like black and glass stone background and clear glass stone background, like this, and then just rock out and then do like a little design around it. You know what, you guys, let's just go ahead and go for it. Let's see. I could either put it in the middle, or I could put it like to the side like this, and have the bees like like I could have like one bee actually like laying on the piece. Let's just keep going and let's just see what we could come up with. Let's just see what looks good. Even though I don't have y'all like here with me to make a full decision, we still just want to play around with it and just see. And leave a comment down below on like if y'all like the first look without the flowers like that, or with me enhancing it with like you know, little flowers like this. Maybe I could put one right there. Or should I just do a full blinged out case with just some flowers? Okay, let's try and see how this looks. All right, so we're gonna put them to the side real quick. And let's just see. So, let me pull these out of here. Where is my piece at? I don't even know where my, oh, here it is. My picking tool. Let me just take that out. Take that out. Okay, here we go. Alright, I think I still want this to be like the center of attention, so I'm gonna leave that right there. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna put a bee at the top. I'm also gonna put a bee right there. Right? I'm gonna put beautiful right underneath. Let's put beautiful right there. And then I'll put another bee. Right, I'll put another bee. No, I don't want to put that gold there. Let's see. I can place the sunflowers on there, even though they are like a different color, they still, you know, bring out the piece. I do have this piece, which I can put on like that, maybe. Then I would need something to go up at the top. And this is just a butterfly. Let's move this. Let's actually add the butterfly like that. Let's add the butterfly. And let's go ahead and let's see. Let's move this out the way. Move that. And let's just add that's already facing that way. That's already facing. Let's let that face and let's let that go right there. So I still need something to go right there. Let's go with like this sunflower. Let's go with that one. Alright, let's just take this out. I wish I had a smaller one. I thought I did bring out some more, but I don't see them out right now. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put that right here. And then I have one more bee. So what I'll do is I'll place this one right here. And then, or what I'll do is I'll put this one right here. How do y'all like that design, you guys? Like, let me know in the comment box down below if you are feeling this design or not. And then of course I'm gonna put my name, MYT Designs, right there. Let me know if you're feeling this design or not. But we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna get the bling in. I wanna see how this actually comes out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add black, clear, and white. I'm gonna add a hint of this type of yellow. A hint, not that much. So let's just go ahead and get the gluing. My pieces are glued. Let's go ahead and get the blinging. I remember years ago when I first started making cases, I used to try to like fill every hole. I didn't want to leave any space in between these pearls, the pieces, or anything. But now I notice that with placing the rhinestones and pearls, because the glue, I think the glue expands a little bit, so it causes everything to look like together, if y'all understand what I'm saying.
Oh, I thought you was bringing to me. I was like, wait, what?
I'm doing a video. I'm cracking up. Alright, let me do the middle real quick. Do this part. And then we're gonna tear back the paper. At least I got it done before these kids woke up though. I'm trying to upload at least twice a week. It's hard, girl, it's hard, but I'm getting back, I'm getting back. as y'all can see, this beauty is complete and it turned out better than I expected. But let's just go ahead and pull back the plastic. I'm about to go outside and take some photos. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe and that those post notifications are turned on. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram at Designsbymyc. And you guys, I'm about to rebrand. So with rebranding, I will be making a new Instagram. Be sure to go over there and follow me at collections_by_myc. I'm going to leave everything in the description box below. But until the next video, you guys, bye-bye.